I thought I left the mic.
Where is it? Is it on you?
Ay, sap, nakalimutan ko yung mic. Nakaklip sa akin.
Okay. So,
Hi.
hello. Okay, so welcome back to the channel.
Nakuha na naman boss na dyan.
We are
We're going to
for today's video, pupunta tayo ng Mambu Rice sa Batan. Mambu Rice.
Aray.
Pupunta tayo sa Mambu Rice sa Batan.
Kaduro-duro lang ko. Hi!
Batan, Aklan. May dala tayong skimboard. Kita ba? Kita ba yung skimboard?
Oo, sa gilid ko.
Yeah. We've strapped the skimboard.
May helmet ako, may bag ako. Kasi naano ko pa, minimake sure ko pa na yung skimboard, yung maano.
Sobrang dami mo namang ginagawa. So ayun. Meron tayong skimboard because we're gonna try to skimboard today. Tuturuan natin si Claire mag skimboard. And the first thing you gotta learn when skimboarding is how to fall properly off your skimboard. So we're gonna try that.
Maybe I should be the editor for this video. The suggestion lang kita.
Ayoko, gusto ko pakita lahat ng semplang.
Ako mag-edit.
We're gonna see.
Para may sound design ka.
Okay, sige, tingnan natin.
VFX pa.
May VFX pa? Very tempting offer. We'll see. Yeah. This is Carabao Bend. See? There's a Carabao. Carabao Bend. Hey, it's almost done.
It's not hey.
Ubus na yung hay.
Kasi unti na lang. Picture this. Take a photo, post it on Instagram. #Hopecore, #Soapy, and #Arrow. It goes super viral. Suddenly, we're rich, we're famous. Anthony dies in a car crash.
What?
And we get to meet the CEO of YouTube.
Yeah!
It's the Eiffel Tower. My God! You see that?
Yes, I see it. Ayun si Mama.
Ayun si Mama.
Grabe, sobrang bilis niya. Hindi natin siya maabutan. Grabe, ang bilis niya. Wait. Awimbawe. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Awimbawe.
Bambambue.
Also, I'm pretty sure jungle isn't the right term for where the lion is from. It's from a savanna, I'm pretty sure. Savannas are much drier.
Okay, smart Alec.
I'm just saying. What would a lion be doing in a jungle? See, exactly. You wouldn't see it in a jungle, you'd see it in a savanna.
Hindi ko alam kasi bakit hindi pa niya pinauna yung bus. Kailangan niya talagang maunahan yung bus. Ang bilis-bilis niya kasi. Oh. Ano yan? Pinauna niya yung bus para unahan niya ulit.
No.
Feeling ko yun eh. Kaya niya pinauna yung bus kasi unahan niya ulit yan. Tingnan mo. Sobrang bilis talaga magpatakbo ni Mama eh.
This school is child-friendly. Alanganin hindi.
Not child friendly.
Huh?
What if it's not child friendly?
That's just an office building.
Nagpapayak ng mga bata. Nagpapayak ng mga bata yung building.
Ayun, yun.
Sabi ng building, "Uwi ka na, wala ka naman baon eh. Uwi ka na." Tapos iyak yung bata. Ha 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 ha.
And they get paid to do that.
Yeah.
Get paid to bully little kids. Sounds like a job I can take.
Hala,
Pretty girl.
tumagpas si Mama.
She belongs.
Dito na tayo kakanan eh. Ano ba yun? Lumagpas.
Pretty girly girl.
Hala, tuloy-tuloy siya.
Aba! Di pa rin alam! There were like big signs too!
Yeah. I don't know what she was thinking.
We gotta hurry it up. Your turn signal's on, by the way.
Wala talaga siya, hindi talaga siya tumigil. Makakarating siya ng Altabas. La, very good. Sabihin nun, hala, Altabas na.
Wala.
Ah, dito siya kakanan. Okay. Well, that makes sense. Hindi niya alam paano siya ikot. Wait. I'm sure she doesn't know what to do.
What are we doing?
I'm stopping. Get off the lake. Kasi hindi marunong mag-U-turn yun si mama.
Ang galing!
Meron na dun eh. May likuan na dun eh. Binibibipi pa nga namin eh.
Abaw! Ang galing! Abaw yun! No.
Magpas. Grabe adventure to ah.
Ang sarap! Uy, kagaya oh. Parehas na oh. Hey, did you see that guy? He had the same motorcycle as us.
Huh?
He has the same motorcycle as us.
Yeah, but
Ours is cooler though.
schooler si Rhaegar. Let's go.
Is that still on?
Yeah, actually I think.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
is.
Yeah, it's on.
Keep it on.
Okay.
New.
So, we're on our way.
Guys, gusto nyo ba ng choco?
Gusto ng?
Choco, yung iniinom ko.
Wow, nang inggit pa ng choco.
Ito,
Wow!
gusto nyo ba? Sarap
Nang
eh.
inggit pa talaga. Goats.
They're extremists and I don't like it. I just have a good time. They're playing with the ball. I don't want to be under enemies of the Federation. It's this bridge. I can't handle anymore. Can't handle anymore. Can't handle anymore. Hello, I'm Verity, your personal helper friend. Ask me anything. I know everything.
Hold on to the thing.
I am holding on to the thing. Oh my god.
It's a corgi. A porgy. A Pinoy corgi.
Porgy. Ah.
Ako, mali yung daan mo dyan,
the
mama.
tide over there. You see that?
High tide nga eh.
Makaka-skimboard ba tayo niyan?
Yeah. High tide, low tide. Pwede tayo mag-skimboard. Yeah, like that. But transfer your weight. Like what you just did. So, we can say that.
I don't know what I did. I don't know how I did that. I don't know what I did.
Try it, try it.
Ah!
I will go slow. Dito ka sa akin. Baby, right foot, not the shapes.
I'm not the best runner. I hope you know that.
Tapos that. Then, karon. Ang ano mo, the wrong with that. Pasay ka na. Right pa to, right? Kasi ang okay, right
Ano?
foot ang
Uy! Ta! Nakakata. Bye guys. Akigan kita ay. Special guest sa vlog. Eh, nakasakalo. Ahoy! Ahoy! Hagi. Oh, takot! Nakakatakot! See the line where the sky meets the sea. It calls me. And no one knows how far it goes. Oh. Yay! Saan ito masingalo? May Maya akigan si Mama. May madidinig na kaya maririnig na mo kayo sumisigaw. Clariling! Go, Je. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. The vast sea. Tananan, tan, tananan, tan, tananan. Mag-hello. Ah! Hoy! Hoy! Alat. Hay, dagat yin. Ang alat. Dagat ka. Alang-anin, matami. Dagat nga. Dagat. Oo, dagat. Maalat eh. Hindi. Ambot. Kasi dagat. Maalat eh. Siguro lang. Washed up. May na-wash up na isda. Oh. The Adventures. Hay, 2% lang gali. Hello vlog. So, tapos na kami mag-swimming. Outfit check. And of course, naka-Avery slippers ako. Ayun, hinintay ko na lang si Daddy lumabas para makalas tayo. Yay! Okay. Yeah, yun lang. Okay. Bye. Yan oh, ang bilis. Yan oh, si Mama oh. Ang galing mag-drive oh. Galing nito mag-drive oh. Wah! Bilis magpatakbo.
Ah, look at that. It's a butt.
Going. Hi guys. Doggy. Guys oh. Angas oh.
Can you see? Did you see?
Yeah.
Angas.
Galing! Galing!
Ang bilis.
Ah!
Ang bilis, grabe!
Nag-overtake ka! Galing! 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 Galing!
Ang bilis, grabe!
Galing na to mag-drive, oh. Oh? Bilis, oh.
Overtake ng bike.
Galing. Grabe.
Ang bilis mo ah! Bilis mo ah! Karera tayo! Karera! Karera tayo!
Abaw!
Karera tayo!
And now we wait for them to overtake.
Galing mo.
Hey, I rhymed that.
oh.
That rhymed.
Si mama oh. Oh, nakikipagkarera ka talaga eh.
Ba?
Grabe, nakikipagkarera
Grabe,
talaga
ang
siya.
bilis na ito
siya.
mag-drive. Grabe. Galing ni Mama. It's a really cool sky up ahead.
Yeah.
Like, look at that. Peak!
Pink.
No, but like really, look at that. That's beautiful. That's so cool, chat. I am not built to be a vlogger. I am built to be a streamer. There, see, cool sky. Really, really pink. Yeah. Y'all see that? Okay, good.
No overtake.
Because it's really cool. Look at that. That's really cool, guys. It's really cool. Okay, here. Here, it clears up like a lot. There, see? Sky. Ooh, pretty. Yeah. You guys see that? Yeah. Pink. Pink! Ah, they said it looked like rain.
Ayan, bibip yan dito. Tinan mo. Bibip yan. Ready? Sabi sa'yo eh. Dito ulit. Ay, wait. Bibip yan ulit. Oh. Sabi sa'yo eh.
Baka magbibip yan.
Oh, bibip yan. Tinan mo.
Ay, hindi.
Ayan na. Ay, wala. Ah! Oh!
Pogs!
Boom!
Abaw! Yun!
Did you get that on video?
I did.
Oo. We'll show her.
Dito siguro.
Ay, hindi. Kita dyan.
Oo. Diba?
Isa pa ulit. Dito ulit. Bibip yan. Up.
Beep beep.
Beep.
Nasobra ng isa.
Tapos mag-overtake yan ng e-bike. Bibip yan ulit. Tama ah.
Mag-overtake.
Oh, pag mag-overtake yan, mag-bibip yan. Tapos sa'yo eh.